Home Show.
David from Clear Lake has a question about home inspections.
Yeah, he's buying a 3-year-old home, Tom, in Corpus, and has some questions about the inspector's report. David writes, the inspector noted 2 deficiencies with the house. Number 1, these windows. If you take a look at he says the windows and the doors have not been installed with isolation joints. And number 2, the stucco on the exterior porch columns. They're installed directly in contact with the foundation and porch, and he's wondering, should these be of concern? And I guess we've had this question before when we have a home inspector report and they've nitpicked everything about the house. What do you think his next step is?
The windows look fine, first off. And the porch area, as long as it doesn't hold water, it drains well when it rains, it goes away. It's pretty typical of what you'd see in any home. So as far as that goes, I wouldn't. These are 2 things that would not stop a sale for me as far as me buying the place. So I'm good with it, and I don't even really understand the window issue. So that came out of somebody's book somewhere. I'm not sure what that is. What is it? The joint thing? And no, don't. But as far as everything, it seems fine. It's 3 years old, and I would not stop the sale on it. If you have repair work to do, you're always going to have something to do around a house. You're going to have to maintain it. You're going to have to caulk it and paint it and do the things people do. And if you think it's a maintenance-free home, then you're living in fantasy land.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, the only maintenance-free homes are on television.
Have you ever had a maintenance-free home, Charlie?
Not once.
Or did you just turn your back and say, okay, now it's maintenance-free? Yeah, I understand.
I got news for you. Maintenance-free is not free.
That's right. So
that's true.
That's why we have great sponsors here at Home Show Radio. They'll help you take care of your home. You will have problems once in a while. It's okay. It's part of owning a home. And if you don't like that, and I get with people all the time, they say, well, I want to own my own home. It's a great investment, and it'll be maintenance-free, and I'm not paying for somebody's property. Guess what? If you pay for somebody's property, which is called rent, they have to take care of the home. So you don't have to take care of it at all. So I say sometimes people should be, or situations call for you to be a renter and not an owner.
And where home inspectors are concerned, Tom, I guess you have to take everything they say with a grain of salt, and it's not like the seller has to measure up to everything on the home inspector's report. I mean, I've heard you say before that the objective of that report is for you to go in with your eyes open, not to give the seller a checklist of things they have to fix.
That's exactly right. And I'm not going to get on the home inspectors. I do that too much as it is. But I will say this. The inspection report is to tell you what you're buying. So if you can make a educated decision on the purchase of the home, and maybe you can say, you know what, let's take $500 off. Let's take $750 off the cost of the home. And, let's make a deal and make this sale happen. Unless it's really bad. If it's really bad, then always walk away.
Then you never love something that can't love you back.
Not going there.
All right. But you know where you can go? You can go straight to HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out that Ask Tom form with your questions. Fill it out, send it in. We'll put up a video just like this to answer your questions on our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, and even on our website itself at HomeShowRadio.com.